Hello everyone, I am Ritesh, a Notion creator. In this video, I will walk you through my Finance Manager Notion template. The link to the template is available in the pinned comment and in the description of this video. Finance Manager allows you to effortlessly manage your finances by tracking your income, expenses, debts, and much more. So this is the Notion template, and let me show you all the currencies that are available. So this is the welcome page, and here are all the currencies that are available. So this is available in 7 different currencies, as you can see here. And let's say if you open up the euro one, and you can have a look in this template, you can see everything is created in euro. Now let me walk you through some of the features that Finance Manager offers. To get started, you need to first add all your accounts, and you can get started by adding all your incomes and expenses and some of your subscriptions that you have. The subscription tracker will automatically deduct the value based on if it's monthly or yearly from your accounts. Over here you can see the monthly report where you can see all your incomes and expenses and the total cash flow. This is a graph of your income by month over time and some of your recent expenses. Here you can see the expenses divided based on the category, your budgets, and how much you have already used. You can add your income and expenses by clicking here, and you also offer an investment tracker, as you can see. This is the value of all your investment over time. You also get a automatically generated monthly report, as you can see. So you can see your asset performance every month, and here you can add all your investment assets, and you can add your investment to those assets here. This is the portfolio value. You can see how much each of the asset was. Here you update the value of your assets, each asset every month. So you can see the value on August. Let's say global stock was $641, now it's $700. So I update them here. Next, let's see the income page. Let's see the accounts page first. You can see all your accounts here and their balance, and you can see some of the other stats like initial account that you added, the total expenses, total income so far. So these are all used to track the balance, to find out the balance. You don't need to manually update the balance. You just need to add your incomes, expenses, and transfers, and the balance will be automatically added. And also you need to make sure to add the initial amount. Here you can see the amount you have for each of your bank account and total amount you have. Now let's move on to the incomes page. Here you can see your income every month. So let's say you have multiple sources of income. It will show up the total income for that month and your recent incomes you can see here. Now let's move to the expense page. So here you can see all your budgets and your expense based on the categories. You can see how much you have consumed for each of the budgets you have. So let's say you can see this is your business budget. So you have a total budget of $5,000 and you consume 60%, so you can edit these values. And here you can see your expense every month. So on October you had $1,500 for example, and here you can see it is $3,200. And this is the list of your recent expenses, and this is the database of all your expenses with all the details. Now let's check out the subscription tracker. So these are the subscription. It will show you if it's overdue or already paid, and you can see also the last payment date and the next due date as well. You can create monthly or yearly subscriptions, and here is the database of all your subscriptions. Now you also have goals database. So these are basically financial goals. Like here you can see it's a monthly saving goal. So this is the account from which the amount is being saved and the total amount already saved and the target. Alright, so now let's look at the reports page. So these are your monthly reports. You can see your incomes and total income, your expenses, total income, total expense, and your cash flow for that month. These reports are automatically generated on the first day of the month, and you will see a report for the current month in the dashboard. Now you also have debt tracker. So here you can track all your debts. Like in this case it's a student loan, and once completed you can set it as done. You can see how much you have already paid. You can get this template from the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.